Before the video starts, make sure you follow the link in the description. It's the new Discord that I have. Miller! We got a lot of the boys on there already. Welcome to the video. Yeah. You want a quick start? You want a quick start? The crowd goes wild. All right, sounds good, sounds healthy. I said, I did a motherfucking stutter and my bitch. Hey, Facebook. Don't hurt me. What's up, boys? Hybrid turbo. Don't fucking mind if I do. Yeah. All right, we gotta go get ethanol because I've been on 91 for way too long. See that? No pops and bangs. Are you guys okay? Are you okay now? Are you fine? Well, I hope not, because I'm about to put him back on, baby. Yeah, daddy. I have not been on ethanol in weeks, dude, and I miss it. I miss the power, baby. I want the torque back. I got a text message. You guys gotta hold on. Hello? I'm like a YouTuber. Hello? I just answered my phone like this to a text message because that's what I do. Please start. Oh yeah, we're good. Oh, it's always scary. I have this GoPro today so we can mount it on the back here in the windshield and get some really crazy POV / like back of the car footage of me just cruising through back roads. You guys have been asking for it for so long, so I figured I'd just do it. The Pops and Bangs tune that was like the softer version that I just had on my last video, it actually started to make a big difference. I think the car had to learn it a little bit, but I just want to let you guys know that tune actually did work. It didn't sound like it did in the video, but as the week went on, it got quieter and quieter. Dude, I must have completely forgot what it feels like to be on ethanol because this, no joke, feels like a different car. Like, it's unreal how it feels so much more full. Dude, it has, okay, here's the deal, dude. If you go from ethanol to 91 octane and you're on 91 octane for long enough, you will completely forget what ethanol feels like. I thought I remembered, I don't. It's only been like 3 weeks or so, I think, maybe. And literally the car, I don't know how to explain this. I don't know if this like applies to other platforms or not, but there's like a weakness that you feel when you're on 91. Like you almost feel like, it just feels like weak and like it's almost feels broken. That's like kind of weird. But then you put the ethanol and like, it's almost like the pedal, like, okay, all right, dude. The pedal does so much more with so much less input. It doesn't even feel like the same car. All right, that's enough. That's enough of a rant. Look how fucking clean that is. That is so sick. It says it's got pure turbos on it from the license plate, so you know that thing probably boogies, dude. Should I absolutely dust him and just embarrass him, dude? No, we can't, dude. Not today. He looks like he's asking for a dusting, right? Look at this thing, dude. Dustin. Whoa, that's so cool, dude. So sick. Woo! Whoa, dude, what the hell? Dude, that thing sounds mental. That is so sick. Oh my gosh, dude. Do you guys ever track this thing?
No, I'm doing half mile racing.
Oh, that counts. That's baller. So we finally made it out to Mexico, thank goodness. That was a nice long drive. We're gonna do some point of view stuff in the hybrid turbo Fiesta ST. Like I said, I just put ethanol in it, so it should be pretty quick. A lot of you guys have been asking to see something like this for a long time now, and I'm finally gonna give it to you. So sit back, enjoy the sound, enjoy the noises and the feeling. Bam, look at the grip. Also just realized one of my tires is a little bit low on air. You might not be able to tell, but I'm gonna try and take it easy in the corners just because that's kind of a liability for me. Well, I hope you guys can see okay. First gear, baby. That's so sick. Yeah, I know, dude. The pops and bangs are annoying. Just hold it. Just let it go, dude. They're not coming off. Wow, Mexico is beautiful this time of year. Again, I'm trying to take it easy on the corners just because I do have a little bit of low air pressure on that left side and not trying to get into any trouble at all. So yeah, I gotta get those brakes installed really bad on the rears. That's not good. Oh my god, it's so loud. Whoa. Dude, oh my god. This thing is manic. By the way, you guys are inside of my mouth right now, so it's kind of hard to talk. So much torque, oh my god. Okay, so I want you guys to listen to this. I'm doing this point of view for you guys, and I get on my brakes, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this, but oh, it's gonna be really hard for you guys to hear this. Damn. Do you hear that? Like, okay, so this is, all right. hear that noise? It sounds like there's a card in a baseball tire. Whoa! What the fuck? It's like there's a baseball card in a bike tire. That sound, if I touch my brakes, I can hear it in the front. What the f is that? I hope you guys can hear that. You probably can't, and you probably think I'm lying, but I think I'm gonna have to cut this short because I don't know what's going on with my front brakes. Wow, that is so weird. I literally have no clue what that is. Oh, almost got decked by that car, damn. Something in here is like clicking. It sounds like there's something like a baseball card in a bike tire is what it sounds like. I don't know what that's about. If anybody has any insight on why that might be happening, please definitely let me know. It only happens, so like if I'm off the brake, nothing happens. But if I just tap the brake one time, it's there for like 5 minutes. Like something inside of here is like maybe not decompressing all the way or fast enough. Like maybe the piston. I don't know, I've never heard of that happening, so. What the fuck is up, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Oh wait, I gotta get my legs in there, fuck.